Unbox and set up the HP Color LaserJet Enterprise MFP8801 printer series and finisher. The printer box should be positioned so that the front and left side have enough clearance for ramp placement. Begin by cutting and removing the packing bands from the box. Lift and remove the top cover box. Lift and remove the cardboard box from the finisher. Remove the white plastic packing covers by pinching and pulling the tabs. Lift and remove the cardboard box from the finisher. Remove the protective foam and cardboard from the top and sides of the finisher. Remove the output tray. Remove the ramps. Lift and remove the plastic packaging from the finisher. Fold the perforated sections of the box inward to create handles for lifting the printer box. Using two people, lift the box by its handles up and remove it from the printer. The unpacked flyer and installed guide will be inside the box. Align the pins of the ramps with the holes on the pallet. Press the ramps securely into place. Remove the hardware from the box. Carefully tilt the finisher to one side while one person removes the foam packing material. Repeat this step on the other side of the finisher. Slowly roll the finisher down the ramps. Cut the paper that wraps around the printer and remove it. Remove the cardboard from the sides of the printer. Remove the power cord. Remove the toner, imaging drum, and TCU boxes from the pallet. Lift and remove the plastic packaging from the printer. Move the ramps from the finisher side of the pallet to the engine side. Align the pins on the ramps with the holes on the pallet. Then press the ramps securely into place. Lean the printer to one side and remove the foam blocks. Then lean the printer to the other side and remove the other foam block. Lean the printer forward to remove the foam block from the rear of the printer. Next, lean the printer backward and remove the foam block from the front of the printer. Hold the printer by the handles located on the sides and carefully roll the printer down the ramps. Remove all the blue tape from the printer. Open each of the trays and remove any packing materials. Remove the protective film from the keyboard and logo. Open the scanner and remove the packing material from the scanner bed. Open the rear access door and remove the paper and packing material. Remove the toner cartridges from their box. Hold the toner cartridges vertically and shake them 5 times up and down to distribute toner. Repeat this process with all of the color toner cartridges. Remove the toner cartridges from their packaging. Open the toner access door. Slide the toner cartridges into their matching slot. Remove the orange tape from the imaging drum bays. Rotate the blue lever down on each of the imaging drum bays. Remove the imaging drums from the box. Remove the packing and the orange cover from the imaging drums. Match the imaging drum with the label on the imaging drum bay. Avoid touching the green roller on the imaging drums during installation. Line up the grooves of the imaging drum with the channels on the imaging drum slot. Rotate the gray levers up on the imaging drums. Rotate the blue locking levers up on the imaging drum bays. Remove the toner collection unit from its box, then remove the plastic packaging. Place the toner collection unit in position, then press it into place. Close the front access door. Open the first tray, adjust the paper guides using the blue tabs, then insert paper into the paper tray. Remove all blue tape from the finisher. Open the side access door and remove all blue tape. For Booklet Maker, remove the tape and install the Booklet Maker stapler cartridges. Remove the 3 Phillips screws from the Booklet Maker. Slide the Booklet Maker out from the printer. Remove the blue tape from the Booklet Maker. Lower the supporting foot at the bottom of the Booklet Maker. Insert the Booklet Maker stapler cartridges. Close the Booklet Maker. Remove the thumb screw. Remove the caution sticker. Rotate the stapler primer wheel clockwise 10 times to align the stapler mechanism. Next, Rotate the green wheel counterclockwise 10 times. Install the stapler cartridges while holding the primer wheel. Close the finisher access door. Install the top output tray and remove all blue tape. For Booklet Maker, install the lower tray. Connect the white cable. Connect the black cable. Open the side access door of the finisher. Push the finisher and printer together to connect them. Lower the latch on the finisher. Close the finisher side access door. For large projects, the lower collection tray can be replaced with a box or basket. Remove the lower collection tray. Install the black output guide. Then place a collection box beneath the guide. Plug in the power cord. Plug in the network connection cord. Rotate the printer stabilizer feet to extend them. Press the power button. Select language. Then press Next. Select location. Then press Next. Choose your preferred date format, then press Next. Enter date and time, then press Next. Allow your device to search for internet connections, then press Next. Choose to enable AutoSend, then press Next. Choose to enable print from USB, then press Next. Review the summary page, then press Finish. Your printer is now ready for use.